When learning about numbers, we want students to have a visual image of the number. And a way of doing that is to provide them with what's called a 10 frame, a 2x5 grid. Now, the reason we use 10 frames is because of the significance of 10 to our place value system. It becomes really important for students to be able to combine numbers flexibly to 10 and beyond. So with this 10 frame, I've placed 6 counters on the 10 frame, and so we would want the student to recognise that as 6 and not necessarily have to count every time. The skill of being able to recognise a number instantly by just throwing, for instance, a dice. So when we throw the dice and have 4 here, you don't need to count each of those to establish that it's 4. You recognise that it's 4. And we're wanting students to recognise that this is 6 in relation to 10. So it's not just about seeing the 6 there, but it's also about seeing the 4 empty spaces. And the fact that 6 plus 4 will give us the 10. We might see the 6 like this, but we can also represent it like this. And so think about different ways that you can show the number to students. It improves their flexibility. And if they can start to see that 6 is 3 groups of 2, that helps as well. So present it in many different ways. Ask them what they see, what number, what's the amount, but also ask them what they don't see, what's empty.